A boat takes 90 minutes less to travel 36 kilometers downstream than to travel the same distance upstream. If the speed of the boat in still water is 10 kilometers per hour, the speed of the stream is. Now, generally in boats and streams topic, we assume A as the speed of the swimmer or the ship in still water, B as the speed of the water body, and therefore the upstream speed becomes A minus B and downstream speed becomes A plus B. Now, if you read the first part of this question, we will realize that basically 90 minutes is the difference between downstream time and the upstream time. So upstream time is greater than the downstream time. So let's form the equation first. Upstream time minus the downstream time is equal to 90 minutes. Now let's convert this 90 minutes to hours. So let's divide it by 60. So this is our equation. Now, if we read further, speed of the boat in still water is given to us. That means A is equal to 10. The speed of the stream is, that means we have to find the value of B. Now, as per the data, the upstream speed will be 10 minus B and the downstream speed will be 10 plus B. Now, the general formula for time is distance upon speed. So the distance is given to us 36 kilometers and the boat is traveling the same distance upstream as well. So therefore the equation now becomes 36 upon upstream speed will be 10 minus B minus 36 upon 10 plus B. Now the right hand side we can reduce it and we will get it as 3 by 2 or 1.5. Now the fastest way of solving these kind of questions where the left hand side is something like this is by using the options. So let's substitute the first option here, option A, that is 2. So 36 upon 8 minus 36 upon 10 plus 2, that is 12. Okay. Now 36 upon 8 is nothing but 4.5 minus 36 upon 12 is 3. So 4.5 minus 3 is coming out to be 1.5, which is the right hand side here as well. That means option A itself is satisfying the equation and therefore that will be our answer.